will make it in first gear.
All right, go. You got
You
this.
do a whole shot?
You're not gonna feel like you'll make it, but you'll just pull right up it. Dude, that dirt is so sick right there. Look at it. Perfect.
Whoa! Mr. Pro Fast.
Dude, that is so sick. Dude, this is quite the drop right here. Boys, gotta go up there one.
Bro, if I hit that rock, I am over the back.
Dude, you'd probably do a backflip and land down here.
That's my shot.
Yeah.
Do it.
Right here.
Yeah, Adam, I kind of like the Ghost Ride mode.
Alright. Woo! Oh man. Trail braking with the 90. I just wanted to show Adam that spot that I wanted to build the mountain bike thing. And I wanted it like off this, except come like off of that hill and make it flat so that you're dropping from like up here all the way down to like, actually could probably just drop this on the pit bike right now. Oh, yeah. I think we're gonna have to do that. Mostly worried about the outrun.
You want me to fall down the hill?
See what worst case scenario looks like?
I mean, helmet.
It's like, what in the hell is that all
Luke
about?
gets to the bottom. What in the hell? Hey, Luke.
Are you really gonna do that?
Yeah.
Clean. We got Tyler thinking about doing this.
It's smaller than
This
most
rock
mountain
drop.
bike stuff.
How does? Oh, there it is, right there. Great day in the woods with the boys.
I think he's got it.
New Year's Day.
Dude, worst case scenario.
New year, new crash.
I mean, you got to get the first big crash out of the way.
These guys, dude. Oh, send Luke down the hill. Check it out. Whoa. Here, back to Adam.
So we used to ride this place when we were kids, and now that Tyler has a big mountain bike career,
Just clipping the rear tire.
he's got all sorts of wild ideas. I don't know if you can see this, but what do you think, Tyler? See, we got the crash out of the way. It's okay. Luke did the same thing right there. It's so slick.
I'll do it on the 90. I know it won't box.
Actually, dude, the
I
speed.
told you he was gonna grease
It's
it.
so gnarly.
The speed is
It's
like.
actually really smooth.
You went pretty big.
You could go way bigger off it, actually. I mean, you're not going to catch me doing it on the 90, but... I'm going to go a little faster this time, so don't get a little nervous, Luke. You don't have to go very fast.
Yeah, okay, Tyler.
Just bumper in the second.
Oh my God.
I don't know about that.
Heavy landing.
That was too fast.
Nope. No way, dude. Homie almost OTB and he doesn't even know it. God.
Oh, that not rough. You went far. Very far.
Holy. Why does he gotta do? Don't worry about it, Luke. I'm gonna go a little
Yeah, I'll
faster.
go real. Yeah, I'm just gonna go fast.
Now, like, oh man. I don't know.
I would find every excuse in the book too, Luke.
The thing is, you can't bail. There's nowhere to bail.
Oh God! Don't do that!
God damn, I can't do it.